Moringa powder really does it all. The Moringa oleifera tree produces leaves so nutrient-packed, they rival the most fortified supplements on the market. This video is for informational purposes only, not medical advice. Always talk to a healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or medications. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, which herbal or health-boosting teas do you already drink? And if you love natural nutrition, remember to like this video. Subscribe and check the link in the description for more resources. Benefit 1. Nutrient density. When it comes to nutrition per spoonful, moringa is hard to beat. Just 100 grams of dried moringa leaf powder packs, 27 grams of complete plant protein, all 9 essential amino acids your body can make on its own to stand out for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone who wants to support muscle repair, hormone balance, and immune function without relying on animal products. It also delivers over 2,000 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, more than 4 times the calcium in cow's milk. Perfect for bone health, nerve signaling, and those who are dairy sensitive. Iron is another highlight, minus 28 milligrams per 100 grams, vital for oxygen, transport, energy, and mental clarity. Pair it with vitamin surge foods to help your body absorb more. And let's not forget magnesium, potassium, zinc, and manganese, all highly bioavailable in moringa powder. Benefit 2. Blood sugar regulation. One of moringa's most talked about benefits is its ability to help keep blood sugar steady. It's rich in chlorogenic acid, which slows the breakdown of carbs into sugar in your gut, preventing sharp post-meal spikes. It also contains isothiocyanates, which make your cells more responsive to insulin. The result? More stable energy, fewer cravings, and better long-term blood sugar control. In a 3-month study, postmenopausal women who took just 7 grams of moringa powder daily saw significant improvements in fasting blood sugar. For best results, pair 1 to 2 teaspoons of moringa powder with a balanced, fiber-rich meal. Benefit 3. Brain health. Your brain is especially vulnerable to oxidative stress, damage from unstable molecules that harm neurons. Moringa is loaded with antioxidants like vitamins C and E, quercetin, and beta-carotene that help protect brain cells and keep communication between them smooth. It also contains plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linoleic acid, which support memory, learning, and mood. Animal studies even show moringa may protect against Alzheimer's-like changes by supporting proteins that help your brain form new connections. For a brain boost, add a teaspoon of moringa to your morning smoothie or coffee, along with healthy fats like nut butter or avocado. Benefit 4. Immune support. Moringa's nutrient profile makes it a powerful immune ally. It's high in vitamin C for white blood cell production, and vitamin A for keeping respiratory and digestive linings healthy. Zinc and iron further support immune cell development, while anti-inflammatory compounds help prevent your immune system from overreacting during illness. During cold and flu season, stir a teaspoon of moringa into warm herbal tea or broth for a soothing, nutrient-rich boost. Benefit 5. Skin health. If you want your skin to look as good as you feel, moringa delivers inside and out. Vitamin A promotes skin renewal. Vitamin C boosts collagen production for firmness. And vitamin E helps protect against UV damage. Zinc controls oil production and fights acne-causing bacteria, while anti-inflammatory compounds calm redness. Drink it daily for internal nourishment, or mix with yogurt or aloe for a rejuvenating face mask. Benefit 6. Weight management. Moringa's fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, while its protein content boosts calorie burn during digestion. Compounds like chlorogenic acid also encourage your body to burn fat more efficiently during activity. For a filling, metabolism-friendly breakfast, mix moringa into oats with chia seeds and berries. Benefit 7. Digestive wellness. A healthy gut supports immunity, nutrient absorption, and even mood. Moringa's soluble and insoluble fiber helps keep digestion regular and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Its anti-inflammatory compounds also soothe the gut lining, making it easier to manage digestive discomfort. Stir half a teaspoon into tea or smoothies after meals for steady support. Dietary integration tips. Moringa is easy to add to your routine. Blend into smoothies or green juices. Stir into soups and stews after cooking. Swap 5 to 10% of flour in baking recipes for moringa powder. Whisk into salad dressings or make a simple warm tea with lemon and honey. Moringa powder is more than a trend. It's a nutrient-dense plant trusted for centuries. From strong bones and balanced blood sugar to sharper focus and glowing skin, this leaf offers a full spectrum of benefits. Just a teaspoon or two a day in smoothies, soups, or baked goods can make a difference. Always check with your healthcare provider before starting new supplements, especially if you have medical conditions or take medication. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it, and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips. And don't forget to answer today's question: which herbal or health-boosting teas do you already drink? Check the link in the description for more moringa recipes and ideas. Here's to your health, one green scoop at a time.